Hello everyone, myself Ajay Kumar, faculty member at Education World, Gurdaspur. So please like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Education World EW. Thank you for this one. So let us start today with very interesting topic, factorization. So today what we will discuss about factorization, we will do two things today. First of all, by taking common out, or we can say that by using, or same thing is there, by using HCF. We'll take common out. Then the another one is grouping method. So these two methods we will discuss today. First of all, by taking common out by using HCF, or we can say that we'll do directly it. We will not use HCF. We can also take directly common out and then we'll do. So let us see how we'll do. So first question is given like it is first question, first part. So it is given a square b plus 5ab. So in this question I will do both the methods by using HCF, and we will do directly also. Try to do directly. The reason, when you will do the grouping and when you will go for the splitting also, we have to do the same thing. So first of all, by using HCF I will do. So HCF how? First of all, you will see the number of terms. So number of terms, for the first one I will factor. I can write as A into B because A is square. Second term is AB. So I can write as 5A and B. Now HCF. You are already aware that HCF is the highest common factor. So whatever the common things, only that I will write. So this A is common and this B is common. It means I have A and B, both are common. So now what I will do? I will write this one, A square plus B plus 5AB. Then what we will do? Whatever our HCF is there, we will divide with that one. We will write the HCF outside and we will divide both the terms or 3 terms or 4 terms, whatever the HCF we see, we will divide with that one. Like this. So B and B cancel, here B cancel, so A square, so one A is cancelled out, so it is left A plus 5. So this is the HCF method. Now how we can do directly? First of all, see what is the common between the terms. Like here A is common, because numeric is 1 is here, 5 is here, so nothing is common, 1 only common. So 1 we can write, or it is our choice. So second one is A square, here A power 1. So minimum power is always common. B power 1, here B power 1, so B is common. So out of 2 A's, 1 you have taken out. It means 1 is still left inside. 1 B is there, you have taken out, so B is no more with this term. Similarly, 5 is nothing, we will write 5. A is common, we have written, and 1 B is common, we have written. So this is our answer. See here, how many steps you have done for this one? These much steps, then you see the result. Here you can write directly. And it is quite easy. 1-2 times if you will do, you can do it. It's not difficult. So it is y square minus 10x square y. So again, first of all, see the numeric. Numeric is 5 here. Here 5 into 2. It means 5 is common. X power 1, x2, so minimum power x power 1. Y2, y1, so 1 power we have taken common. So 5 you have taken, x you have taken, so y2 is there, 1 only you have taken, so what is left out? Y. Minus, similar case, out of 5 you have taken, what is left? 2. Then 1x and y you have taken. Come to the second question. First part, it is 7x cube y plus 7xy cube. See here, it is also 7 here and 7 here. It means 7 is common. Come to the now x. X is 3, x is 1. So minimum power is common. Y1, Y3. So 7 you have taken common. Here 3x are there, 1 you have taken. So it means 2 are still inside. So x here. Y is 1, so 1 you have taken. Next is plus sign, put the plus sign. 7 you have taken out. 1x is there, you have taken. Now here y1 you have taken, so here y3. Clear? We'll do the second question, second part. Second question, second part. So what is written? 3 pi r square minus 6 pi r. So here 3 is there. In the first term, here it is 3 into 2. So in numeric, 3 is common. So pi, 1 pi is there, 1 is there. This is common. R square and R, it means 1R. Now see, 3 you have taken, pi you have taken, out of 2 R, 1 you have taken, so 1 is left. Minus, it is 2, pi you have taken, R you have taken. Clear? Let us move further to this one. Now this is the singular terms you are receiving. Singular term means in which the terms are simple. Means single terms means like coefficient are single here. So now we'll do for the 3 terms. It is your question number 3 terms, 5th question. First part. What is that? 5x cube plus 10 x square plus 15. So whatever you are doing for the 2 terms, same you have to do for the 3 terms. Okay? Like here it is 5, here it is 10, so 10 we can write as 5 into 2. Here it is 15, so it is 5 into 3. It means 5 is common, I have written 5. Here x3 is there, here x square, and here also only 15x. So minimum is x power 1. Now you see 5 you have taken, out of 3x 1 you have taken, so it is x square plus, same way it is 2x plus, so 3 x you have taken out. So this will be the result. So we will do 6th question, first part. When more variables are involved in place of 1, because it is only one variable x. So 14 p square q square plus 21 p square q minus 28 pq square. See here, this is 14. 14 I can write as 7 into 2. This is 21. This I can write as 7 into 3. And this is 28. So it is 7 into 4. Now you just see what is common. So 7 is common. Here it is p square but p1. So p1. Remember that power must be the lowest power common. Clear? So it is q square, q power 1, again q square. So you will take q only. Now inside 2 One P you have taken, one still inside and one Q. Q is plus. Next is 3, 7 you have taken. One P you have taken, so it is P. Then Q you have taken, no need to write. Same way 4, P you have taken and Q. So this will be your answer for this one. So third one. Now we'll start with the brackets. Like 7 question, first part. See how it is 7x 3p plus 4q minus 14x square 3p plus 4q. See here again, first of all see the outside the bracket. See, both the brackets are same and both are having same power. Here also 1 power, here also 1. So we'll see in numerics. It is 7 and 14. So out of that one, 7 is common. Here x power 1, here x power 2. So 1x is common. So this bracket will also be common. It is 3p plus 4q. Now you will get the variable attached by plus or minus in the bracket. So same way, if 2 power is there, 1 will take common because minimum power. Whatever the rule for the first questions we have done, same rule for the bracket questions. So inside this you have taken, this you have taken, this. So what is left? 1. Don't write 0 here because maximum students are trying to write 0 here. The reason, when you are dividing 2 by 2, what you are getting 1, not 0. That is the reason, because this full bracket you have taken, 1 is left. Wherever nothing is there, in multiply it is 1 is there. Then minus, so 14, 7 you have taken, so 2 is left out. 1x, so this will be your answer. Then we'll do 8th question, first part. So it is 8 x square a square plus b square plus same way 12 x a square plus b square. So how we'll do? It is 8 and 12. So it is 4 2s are, and this is 4 3s are. So 4. Again x power 1 will be common, bracket is same. So this bracket will also be common. Inside 4, so 2 is left and 1x is left. Plus 3 and x. I hope that you understood all well. So one question we will do like 13th question, first part, in which bracket is having different powers. For better understanding, so 3yx square. So 3 is common. Here 1, here 2. So 1 is common. X plus 3y. So 3 you have taken. Y is not common, so y is left out. This bracket you have taken. Here 3 you have taken, but power 2 is there. Here power 1. It means x plus 3y. So this will be your answer. You can solve. It is y plus x plus 3y. So it will be 3x plus 3y and it will be 4y plus x. See here, you can see here 1 minimum power always. So 1 is still left out, that is why we have written. So let us move to our second, by grouping. Now see in grouping. What we will do in grouping? In the first exercise, you already got the grouped things. How? Just see. You have done this one. You have done this one. So they have already done the grouping. What you are doing? Only you are taking the common out. So one step will increase here. We'll do the grouping. After that we'll reach it here in this step and we have to do the same pattern. So let us try. This is your exercise 14.2. So your first question is x square minus xy plus x minus y. So we'll do the grouping. From the name it is clear, grouping means for doing grouping we need pair of two. So it means there may be two terms, there may be four terms, there may be six terms, there may be eight terms, and we can do the grouping. Okay, so we are trying to do the grouping for this one. So x is common, x one you have taken and y. Now plus, if I will do the grouping for here, you just see that wherever nothing is there, 1. We will come to know that our grouping is correct or not. How? Always when you will do the grouping, these brackets are same. If you are not getting it, means you are doing something wrong, and please check it. Rest. Now here your first exercise starts. We will take common. So this bracket is common. What is left inside? This x plus 1. This is the reason I told you, don't use that lengthy method of HCF for finding. For the starting stage it is okay, but try to do it directly. Because if you will do here this HCF method, it is going to be lengthy. First of all you will find the factors, then you will do. Okay, so try, practice it. It is not so much difficult. Everything is in front of your eyes and you can do it very easily. So come to the next question. So if our grouping is not correct, this question may rise in your mind. If our grouping is not correct, sir, then what we can do? You change the grouping. You group the first and third, second and fourth. Still if you are not getting the same brackets, you can change the grouping. First to fourth, second to third. By doing only this much, you will get your answer. Okay. So again I will do the grouping. First, second, third and fourth. So what is common? A is common. So A plus B. Here what is common? C. So B plus A. See here, bracket is again here also A plus B. This is also A plus B. So this is common. So we'll get inside A plus C. Quite simple. Not much difficult, I already told you. It's not a difficult one. So next one is your question number 3rd. It is xy minus 3y plus x square minus 3x. So again do the grouping. It is y is common. Now see here, x minus 3. Here x is common. So x minus 3. Put the sign accordingly. If inside you want to change, you can take minus here. So it is x minus 3 and y plus x. Come to question number 4th. It is 3 xy plus 7x minus 7y minus 3y square. So do the grouping, these two and these two. So it is x is common, 3y plus 7. Here you can see that both the terms in the bracket are positive, but here both the terms are negative. It means I have to take negative common out for changing the sign. And y is also, so it will be minus y. So inside both the terms will get plus sign. 7 plus 3y. See here, bracket is same. It means my grouping is correct. So 3y plus 7, it is x minus y. Come to next. Question number 5th. It is x square y minus xy square plus 5xy minus 5y square. So do the grouping. It is x and y. So what is left? X minus y. Here 5y. So again x minus y. So x minus y. Okay. So here inside xy plus 5y. See here y is again common. Take out y common. Y x minus y. So y you have taken here common. X plus y. If you will see everywhere is y is there, that is the reason y is common. So come to question number 6. It is x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 6. So it is x square grouping these two and these two. X plus 3 to x plus 3. So this will be x plus 3 x square plus 2. Okay. Come to question number 7. Question number 7. It is 2ax minus 3ay plus 4bx minus 6by. So do the grouping here and here. So nothing is common in numeric, but a is common. So what is left out? 2x minus 3y. Here 2 is common because it is numeric is 2 into 2. This is 2 into 3. So 2 is common and b is common. So what is left out? 2x minus 3y. So again brackets are same. See here. So many questions we have done till now, and what we are getting? We are getting the same brackets. So for that, this will be the common. And here a plus 2b. Then come to question number 8. It is x square plus 6y minus xy minus 6x. So again you just try to do the grouping here. Here you can see that it is not, because nothing is common. Here x is common, we will get y minus 6. So we are not getting the same bracket. See here, I will do just to show you. Nothing is common. Here minus is common and x is common. So what I am getting? Y plus 6. So this grouping is not correct. You see here, brackets are not same. So this grouping is wrong. Now I will try for the another one. I will try first and third, second and fourth. So I will rearrange the terms x square minus xy plus 6y minus 6x. Now I will do x is common, x minus y. Here also, see here, 6 is common, I will take, but minus also. Why? Because x is negative here, but I want positive. So what I will do, I will take minus common, so it will be x positive and y negative. 6 I have taken already. Is that clear? Why I have taken minus common? If you will see in the first bracket, x is positive. Any term sign is on the left hand side. Your left is the left side of the term. So here it is positive sign and y negative, but here y is positive, x is negative. So that is why I have taken negative common to change the signs of the terms. Now brackets are same, you can see here. So x minus y, inside x, directly you have taken, so minus 6. So one more question we will do. For more understanding, now see in this question. This is your question number 9. So 2x square minus x, 4a minus 2b and minus 4ab. Now you just see, here no square is there. If I am going to take, it is not going to work. It means I have to break this grouping. So I will change minus 4. This x will multiply with both. But remember this negative sign, it will also change the inside sign. So this will become negative 4ax and this will become negative and negative positive. It is 2bx minus 4ab. So now I will do the new grouping. First and second, third and fourth. So 2x is common here. Inside x minus 2a. Here also 2b is common. So it is x minus 2a, because 4 you can write 2 into 2. So a, b you have taken. So brackets are same, it means my grouping is correct. So 2a, this bracket is common. So 2x plus 2b. So again you can see that this 2 is common both. So I will take, sometimes many students are saying that we are writing this 2, we have taken common here, why we are not writing here? We are writing here. You can write in any way. Reason, if 3 into 2 is also 6, if I am writing 2 into 3, this is also 6. So in multiply it doesn't matter where you are writing goes, everything is multiply here. Here also multiply, here also multiply. I hope that today lecture you enjoyed, but still if you are finding any difficulty, please comment to our YouTube channel Education World EW, and please don't forget to subscribe it. We'll meet in the next lecture. We will continue this topic. Thank you.